So there was a question earlier in the Freshservice community page. The user asked, I've used the invoice and PO function to onboard or add new keyboards to our asset register. So we've added 10 or 15 new keyboards. How do we then deduct a keyboard away from that count when we issue one out? So the way you would do that is you would obviously have your keyboard here, and I'm going to use mice in this example. Our Logitech mouse is set up in our asset register. We can see Logitech mouse, it's set up as a consumable, and it's very important that it's set up as consumable because consumable gives you quantity. So here in my example system, we have our mice, they're set up as consumables, and we have 50 available. What we're then going to do is go into our service catalog, and we're going to add our mouse as a requestable item. So you can see here, we already have it set up. I'm going to go through and show. So Logitech wireless mouse, hardware provisioning. We've set all our requirements. We haven't got any extra custom fields here because this is just the default setup. And then we've linked that to asset type of consumable, and we've linked that to our wireless mouse there. So now when we complete this service request, it will decrement down the requestable item. And you could do that for anything. You could then say for laptops, for loaners, for software, all that sort of stuff. If I hit save there and publish, what we can then do is, if we go to our self-service portal, see what our customers see. So then either our customers can come in here and say they need something and they need a mouse, so they can come and request one. And we didn't put any extra fields on our form, so that's nice and easy for the requester. Who am I sending it to? Am I sending it on behalf of somebody else? No. I'm just going to hit confirm. Obviously, Fresh is now going to take me around the back because I'm playing agent. Here I can see my agent view, and I would then maybe go get the delivery address, check where they were situated in the office, whatever was appropriate for my process. When I'm ready to then say that has been issued, I'm just going to hit here and hit fulfill request. And I'm going to say, okay, this request is linked to my Logitech mice. How many did I give them? I gave them 1. I could say I gave them 2, 3, 4, however many I want to give them. I'm just going to give them 1. I'm going to hit assigned, and we're just going to say it's fulfilled. And that's going to update the fulfillment stage of our service request. It's going to have assigned that asset to the service request. I never used to, and whether it does now, assign that as an asset. No, it doesn't assign a consumable as an asset here, but if it was another type of asset, it would then show against that agent's or the requester's profile. And then if I go back into assets here, you can see we now have 49, and we can see where those mice went, and there's my service request all linked up together. Hopefully that's helpful about how the consumables works and how that comes together. So thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest features and tutorials. If you or your organization need help with Freshservice, check out our consulting, implementation, training and support services at our website. zest.co.uk. Zest, a fresh perspective.